Just one sip and you are good to go. This is so amazing, earthy, feels like home. I am here to make your mornings more peaceful, less of stress, and lots of good health and happiness. I am making high-protein sattu and peanut butter paneer frappe. So the first thing, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to solve one biggest problem, how to make a good sattu, or maybe where to get a good sattu from. I suggest that you buy roasted chana from the market. What people do is they remove the skin. And when they're removing the skin, what are they losing? They're losing on the extra fibers and a little mouthfeel. We are going to grind this to a fine powder with the skin. If at all you don't like the skin, you can skip it. You see the texture? This is the right consistency of the sattu. We are not going to use any kind of sweetener. So the sweetness comes from the dates. I've taken seedless dates and I'm going to pour water in this. Let's soak it for half an hour and this will be ready to use. The dates are soaked and become soft. Soaked dates going in. Chana sattu follows. Paneer goes in. The probiotic queen. The essence of life, vanilla essence. And some more love, which is peanut butter. I'm going to blend this without adding any water or liquid first so that everything comes together nicely, and later we'll just top it up with amazing chilled water. If you wish, you can add some ice cubes. I am skipping ice cubes at present, but you can do that. So this is the texture what I have got. For me, it is a little thick. I am going to make it a little thinner by adding small amount of chilled water and blending it again. So in this one glass, what all I'm getting high fibers from sattu. I'm getting casein, which is a slow digestive protein. It is going to keep me full for hours after consumption. I am getting the best probiotics, which comes from curd, and I am getting the sweetener, which comes from the dates. This is the best meal replacement. Whenever you are in a hurry, please do not leave your house without eating anything. Make this the easy peasy thing and enjoy. I can't stop consuming it. I'm sorry, I think I'm not going to share this with anyone. But when you make it, please do share with your near and dear ones. Eat healthy, stay happy. This is Chef Rahul Singh signing off.